Okay, so your English teacher has asked you to include a cover page and outline at the beginning of your paper. No problem, except that he doesn't want page numbers on the cover page, and the outline should only include your last name, while the paper itself will include your last name and the page numbers on the right-hand side. If you want to know how to do this in one document, this screencast is for you. Okay, so the key to this is section breaks. I'm going to break my paper into 2 sections because that's all that I need, but you can break it into as many sections as you need. I'm going to bring my cursor down to the beginning of my paper, which is the beginning of my next section. And then I go up to page layout, and I go to breaks, and next page. Now, it doesn't look like it did anything. Sometimes, however, it'll actually insert a page right up above my section, and then I'm left with a blank page that I don't want. I'll show you how to deal with that in a minute. But I do want to show you that something did happen, and the way you figure that out is go up to View, and you can go to Drafts, and there you see that section break. Okay, like I said, sometimes it'll insert a page, a blank page, and I want to show you how to deal with that. If you go back to View and then go to Drafts, I've got an extra line here, but it really doesn't show me that that page is there. But I can find that out by going to Home and then going to this Formatting button. There I see that page break. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now that page break is gone, and I'm going to take off my formatting so that I don't have to deal with that anymore. I go back to View and Print Layout. Okay, now my paper is broken into sections, but it looks pretty much the same as it has always looked. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting in my page numbers. And I'm going to go up here to the top to my abstract, and I'm going to go ahead and double click up here in the header section, and I'm going to say Insert Number, top of the page, and on the right hand side, because I am doing MLA formatting. Now this starts with page number 2, and I really need to start with page number 1. Page number 1 is right here, and I don't want any page numbers on my cover page. So I'm going to ask for a different first page, and it gave me a different first page, but now I'm going to delete that. Okay, so now my title page looks great, but now I have this number 2 right here, and I don't want that there. What my teacher has asked me to do is put in my last name on all the other pages, my abstract, my thesis, my outline, and so that all looks good. But now I have this last name right here, and this is the beginning of my paper. What I really want here is my last name and page number. So this is where those sections come in handy. So I'm going to click right here, and where it gives me this button to link to the previous section, I don't want to link to the previous section, so I'm going to unlink that. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to insert my page number, top right, and now I get a number 1 and last name up here. So now I just need to put in my last name, because it would help if I spelled it right. And then I have page 1, page 2, etc. So that's how you break your paper into sections and have the headers different in the different sections. Sometimes your teachers will also ask you to create a PDF from this paper. So I'm going to go ahead and go up here to File. Oftentimes Word will have this save as Adobe PDF, but if it doesn't have that, this Save and Send button works. So if I click on that, if I say Create PDF and create a PDF, then I can name it what my teacher wants me to name it, and I can publish it, and now that creates a PDF of my paper. So if you have any other questions, come on down to the library. Have a great day.